Exposing the secret behind crystal clear audio. Discover why Apple AirPods Pro are the earbuds everyone's talking about. These aren't just any earbuds. Apple AirPods Pro come with active noise cancellation, so you can escape into your music, podcast, or call without a peep from the outside world. Need to stay aware? Switch to transparency mode with just a tap. Equipped with adaptive EQ, these little wonders tune the music to the shape of your ear. It's like having a personal sound engineer 24/7. And let's talk about comfort. Soft silicone tips in 3 sizes ensure a perfect fit for everyone. These AirPods Pro are powered by the H2 chip, offering superior sound quality and a longer battery life. Imagine up to 6 hours of listening time on a single charge, and with the MagSafe charging case, get up to 30 hours of total listening bliss. But wait, there's more. The new personalized spatial audio creates a surround sound experience that's tailored just for you. It's like being at a live concert right in your ears. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your audio game with the Apple AirPods Pro. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and grab your pair using the link in the description below. Your ears will thank you.